International Day. That's very amazing day. So many different people, so many cultures, and so many food.
Welcome to Russia!
Welcome to Austria!
Happy International Day!
Hello and welcome to the Hamilton International School International Student Day. It's just amazing. I think this year is better than last year, and I don't think it was possible, but it certainly is. There are so many people here, incredible stores, amazing food. We're just having the best time. As you go around, you can see just how happy people are and the relationships that everyone has in terms of our community. So if you're not here this time, make sure you're here next year. Thank you.
Happy International Students Day from the Philippines!
Habibi, welcome to Lebanon. Live, love, Lebanon.
And this is Chinese opera costume. And Happy International Day!
Welcome to Syria!